In this episode of Virgin Review, we are going to listing top 3 coolest backpack on Amazon. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's start the video. Standard Luggage Company Limited 18 liters Business Laptop Backpack. The Daily is the ultimate smart backpack for work and travel. With its unique 3-in-1 design, you can use it like a briefcase, backpack, or a messenger bag. The Daily's Refid blocking pocket keeps you protected from identity theft, while its USB charging port ensures you never run out of power when you need it most. It is more than simply a laptop backpack. It has lockable zips and hugs the body, making it safe against intrusion. And offers lots of space to carry everything you need, as well as safe pockets for your wallet, keys and phone. The most amazing features of the backpack is lockable zips that prevent unwanted access and keep your valuables secure. Refid Secure Pocket keeps your digital information safe. Integrated USB port for charging your devices on the go. Collapsible water bottle pocket maintains a sleek look. Dedicated internal pockets for cameras and lenses. Luggage sleeve for easily attaching to rolling luggage. The backpack included premium shoulder strap and rain cover. It's really a coolest backpack for you. You can buy it. Introducing Thule V Backpack. The Thule V Backpack can take you anywhere you need to go. This easy-to-organize pack has everything you need. Constructed from polyester melange and 800D nylon for durability. Duffel-style zip closure with branded Thule pullers and YKK zippers featuring Duraflex hardware. Top carry handle, padded backpack straps with a secure sternum strap. Back panel features an airflow channel. Exterior features reflective elements for nighttime use. And a plush-lined stash pocket perfect for your phone. Interior features ultimate organization with a padded 15 inches laptop compartment. Padded 10 inches tablet compartment. A mesh zip pocket, file compartment, dedicated shoe section to keep your belongings clean. With access from the exterior of bag. Imported measurements. Laptop compartment, 16 inches bottom width. 13 inches depth. 6.5 inches height. 18.5 inches in strap length. 34 inches strap drop. 14 inches handle length. 6 inches handle drop. 2 inches weight. 1 pound 14.8 ounces. It's one of the coolest gadget backpack for you. Maxpedition Unisex Rift Core Backpack. For serious business, you need serious gear from Maxpedition. The Maxpedition Rift Core Backpack is an ergonomic pack with quick-release yoke-style straps. It is equipped with 2 locations for concealed weapon placement, including a fully loop-lined rear compartment with 2-way access. The middle compartment, which has a full clamshell opening, comes with multiple loop-lined adjustable straps that can be repositioned to make organizing and locating contents much easier. The semi-rigid fleece-lined Diva pocket on the front of the pack is ideal for storing sunglasses, electronics, or valuables. You'll always be prepared with gear from Maxpedition. It's really a good backpack you can buy in $150. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comments section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for watching more videos.